So to add the filtering, all you have to do is add string and search string to the parameter list. And then above the switch and below where you're retrieving all your students, you have to add the if statement. If not string, that is null or empty search string. Basically, if there's something there, then we have to filter the rows. So you're going to be changing students. So you have students equal students.where. The last name contains the search string or the first name contains the search string. And we're using our properties from our model there. That's all you have to add to the controller for filtering. And then over on the view, right below the create action link and above the table, you need to create a little form. And all the form is going to have in it is a text box where they're going to key in their search string. So we're just you doing the @using in parentheses html.begin form. This is going to give us our form tag. And then we got some text, find by name. We've got our little text box, and then we've got a submit button. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little build here. And then once it's done, I'm going to run it. Okay, so it showed me it succeeded, so I'm going to go ahead and run it. And at this point, we will be able to filter and sort. So let's make sure sorting still works, right? And so let us filter. Now, keep in mind, it's going to look at both last name and first name. Let us do CA. Okay. Let us do A. And we'll try AN. Okay, so at this point, everything is working. So I'm going to exit out, and our next step is going to be to add multiple pages.